Bit further back. Oh, it's right here. Oh. Now we're in AQ. Holy Easter egg. SoD devs. You guys cooked. Holy crap. What is this?
Hype.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Furniture? What the heck? Dude, this is the coolest thing ever, man. Are you kidding me? They cooked so hard. Where am I? Oh, there's fire on the ground. Oh, is this supposed to actually be hard? We gotta lock in then. I should have went my PvE spec. I have all my PvP stuff on. Okay, I guess not that bad. We're chilling. Oh, move from the fire. Furniture. Is this Cthulhu's room? It looks like it. Yeah, it is. It is. This is Cthulhu's room. There's just like dragons and furniture and this guy and that costume and should have had my PvE gear on this. Could have killed in like 10 seconds. The giant, Jubai, Revenant. There's loot? There's a little dog? Yo, this is sick. Mughal the Sly, the giant. Okay, let's open this loot. See what we got. Thanks a lot, Xaryu, the scorned student. An axe. Is that bugged? I'm a mage. I'm a mage. What?